Okay, buen día. This is just a short video on best practices for fulfilling the requirements of your 3Cs portafolio, the 3C, o en español, portafolio de las tres C. Okay, the idea is that the 3Cs, this portafolio will help you explore different things that interest you as you learn Spanish. Okay. So one place you can go to find those is in your Canvas course. Click on the additional resources, and under the NMSU Spanish hours, you can just click there and there's a website. There will sometimes be things listed at the bottom, but you can also go to this section that says 3Cs activities under the drop-down menu, where it says 3Cs activities, culture connections, comparisons. Okay, this is a list of optional activities. Remember, we don't require specific ones, though you can take from these. If you have an idea of your own, please, por favor, make sure and speak with your instructor about completing those. Okay, but as the first paragraph here says, the best place to find some recommendations as you move along through your class is in your Javis textbook. And the fastest way to find those is coming up here into the search box and just typing the term 3Cs. Okay, and then let it churn for you, and it tells you here on the different pages of which chapters ideas that you can have for your 3Cs portfolio. And then if you click on them, for example, we'll just jump on this one. At the end of the chapter, it tells you some suggested ideas. Again, you aren't required to do each of these individual ones, but as we see in the syllabus, there are two recommended or two activities required per chapter, so you'll have a total of 10 by the end of the semester. This just helps you get an idea of some different things that you can do for the 3Cs portfolio. Now, these 3Cs portfolios, or the activities, will be turned in Canvas. Okay, so if you end up doing one, for example, in the book, and it has places for you to do it, we'll use the example of the first chapter as one. There is an activity at the end of the first chapter. It's taken a little bit to find it. For example, this activity, and it has some places to fill in the blanks. So if you do it in the book, you'll submit it. You'll hit the submit button here, but then when you want to get credit for it, you'll just come to the activity in your Canvas course, and when it comes time to do the submission, you'll just type in completed such and such activity, like this one would be Cultura en Videos, and make sure and reference the page number in the textbook. That way your instructor can find it. Okay. Again, the idea here is for you to explore different things. Again, this works in any level of your Javis course, whether you're in Spanish 1110 or 1120, 2110, or 2120. Okay, so ask lots of questions. Make sure and check with your instructors. Adios.